These are the languages. These are the customized font designed for Vodafone. Again, like they have run the Power to You campaign, which is still going on. So we designed the baselines, which is again in handwritten format. The second client, which is Virgin Mobile, again we design all the 8 languages for their custom. This is a display type, so they are basically using it for headlines. 2 weights, regular and medium. The application. This is a font which is designed for Microsoft. So I was working with NCST, National Center for Software Technology, and the whole team who has designed the font for Microsoft is now working with White Crow to develop regional fonts. This is a default font for Windows XP. This is the current project which we just finished, I think, a couple of months back, which is for Star India Private Limited, live 4K Hindi. The entire look and feel is developed on the one color and the font which is developed. So this is we have provided them a customized solution for their this particular font, because not necessarily all the Indian fonts or any Indian font will work on all across softwares or different operating systems. So we provided a plugin which will help that particular font will work on all the softwares properly. So we basically provided the Unicode based font which will convert, the plugin will convert into non-Unicode, so you will not face any problems in joineries or conjuncts or any matras and any spacing or kerning issues. Basically, our expertise is to develop very contemporary looking Indian fonts, because existing there are many fonts, but they are not supporting the designer's requirement. This is a kind of glyph set which we designed for live 4K Hindi. So you can imagine, like, if we have to design any Latin fonts, so if it takes around, say, month or month and a half, so any Indian language will take somewhere 3 to 4 months time. And when we are talking about, when I'm saying we have designed Indian languages, we can design all pan-European languages as well, so that anybody who can, who want to have a similar branding, so they can use the entire font. And we are coming up with one of the font series which will have around 30 to 40 languages incorporated in one font, so that you can just send that one font to any agency or designers. They can use that font for branding. Some characters which basically are authentic Hindi characters, which many times operators, they don't know how to operate or put these characters into languages, so we are making provision for that as well. Again, we developed a Star Jalsha font and the logo. So this is the baseline. This is a recently revamped the whole branding. So this is the baseline for that Star Jalsha, which is Chalo Palthai. And this is how they're using the font. This is one of the interesting project which is hand painted type. So you can check handpaintedtype.com. Basically what we are doing is we are converting street painting into digital platform. So if you see, this is a type which is basically we asked the street painters to paint the letters on the whole set of letters, and then we worked on it in terms of grade. We developed some format, and then all the parameters we converted into fonts. So you can see this the way if this kind of artwork takes time to create, so you can just download the fonts and create any color combinations. So this is how it will look. We are we have already launched the second font, which is Sohel, and there will be fonts which will be in pipeline. So we are thinking about developing again Indian languages, but right now I don't have the Indian languages, because they are little complex in converting in these formats. Again, some logos which we designed for Fruity, which is in Arabic, Japanese, Cyrillic, and Nepali. This is one of the interesting campaign which we did for economists. So basically, if you can read this as an English, but it is developed for Tibetan script. So this was a series of Hebrew-looking Latin. This is Sinhala, Sri Lankan script. LTT checks up Indian judicial system. Russian billionaires in the depth of Kremlin. So it was quite, we got a 50-50 feedback because even the agency O&M, like they gave us the brief saying that since it's just a one line which is coming on the red patch, so even if it's not readable in the first glance, it's fine because it's going to be there for a longer period of time on on display. So people will generate that line. Couple of brandings logo which we have designed, because since we have a very strong calligraphy base, so I think we have done more than 200 identities in India. But I'll just, since we have a short of time, I'll just show you a couple of 3 or 4. Spa Leela Bangalore, Ethereal Design. They are into light design and consultancy. Gitanjali Salon. I'm just showing you the recent ones. This is the namesake, which is for Meera Nair film. It's a Bengali. So that's a crow written in Devanagari. It's in Marathi or Hindi, you can say. And basically, we are coming up with the online font store, which will help you to license the font or buy out the fonts for customized branding. And yeah, that's it. So you can have questions.